everyone. I'm showing how to cut a tomato.
这样拿刀的啊，这样拿刀对不对？
Almost just going to be a plate. Almost just going to be a plate. Ooh. Try again. Not and
You're gonna use the other way.
Okay. This way?
Yes. Yay, you did it.
Almost just going to be a plate. Okay.
What else you are cutting?
Well,
You want to cut a watermelon?
I will do the everyone and put them in here to be. This could be the plate, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is the plate, right? I'm going to cut watermelon. The second one was watermelon, right?
Yes.
And the third one was peppers. This is how you cut the water.
Yay, you did it.
This is going to be the plate.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be the plate, Mommy. And can I do this one?
Yes, sure you can.
You could cut this way.
Yeah? Ooh. What is this?
A pepper. Green bell pepper.
Okay.
Sometimes there are red bell pepper.
And what other color you see?
Yellow
Yes.
bell pepper.
Yes.
And orange?
Yeah.
I mean orange bell pepper. Orange bell pepper.
Watch your fingers.
Okay. Now cut the other sides.
Mm-hmm.
Like this way. You turn the knife this way.
Right.
Not that way.
Mm-hmm.
Only this way.
Okay.
Some knives are like this.
Mm-hmm.
And some are like this.
Mm-hmm. Yay.
Second one was carrots.
Carrots?
Mm-hmm.
Are you cutting a big loaf of bread?
Yes. That's mango.
That's mango. Oh. So is bread.
It's like bread, right?
Yep.
together. They have to be the same size as this, right? Right. You can see the page. And everyone can walk there. So, and walk down there to go home.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good presentation. All right, you've done everything. What else left?
Apple, cucumber, bread.
Okay. Let's cut the apple.
Yes. There's some fruits there,
Mm-hmm.
and there's some the bread is dessert, right?
No.
Our rubber bread is fruit.
Yes.
Some are like fruit, right?
Yes.
Some are like fruit bread, right?
Yes.
Some has fruit on top and some Nutella sticking on top and fruits on top, and frosting could stick the fruits on top. Oh, wait, Nutella. Nutella could stick fruits on top of it.
Oh, you want to put Nutella on top of fruits?
Yes.
That sounds yummy.
I could put Nutella on fruits.
Okay.
Bread. And what about Nutella on strawberries? We already made that. Mommy made that, right? That's
Ooh,
it.
you did it.